day na on count once them. Opa si diamond. Hey, oh na 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 talk a channel. Oh na na.
Hey, how be?
Oh, I'm fine.
I'm fine. Can you call that Aroma for me?
No, I won't go in. Can't man, I'm person who can't see me last time. See last time we were back in team, you know, boys, and I was with. See, the other house is every crowded.
Stupid boys like you, like auto guys. You don't give respect to who deserving accusation, and you always want to eat better. With my kitchen, hey, I'm sorry, Madam Kitchen. She doesn't expect you like you. You don't know how to work hard. You don't know how to do anything. You know, it doesn't deserve it you. So it's better for you to appreciate the food that I'm giving to you, okay?
I said, come on, I did the man of Matthias, Mama and Santi, as he called some way, Madam Bounty. Madam Bala, that day, Indiana before they were so. Because you don't respectful. No, boys nearby. You that auto boys, you don't respectful at all in this industry. Madam, we are normal. Badly. Madam, we are normal. Boys, they will do baby. I know. Hey, go and call him for me. Well, my friend, about him, Madam Mr. Rose, next time we buy so partner. What's the one? I will add a little bit, okay? Okay. One more canteen, and I say we trying. Canteen, are you coming to took the food here? That be no. Miss my friend, or Baba, and I say on bracket. It doesn't concern you. One time, I was my friend and Bana, so now and I saw on cook and tea street. Who am I standing? Well, I'm a friend, mother. Stupidity. That boy, Aroma. You are coming to took me for granted. How be you? You are coming to took me for granted. How be you? Hey, my Catherine. Oh, hey, don't hold at me. I'm excruciating hungry with you. Don't hug me. Don't touch me. In fact,
what is it again? Huh?
How many times did you want to come home? I took care of you. I buy you dress. Just say I feed you very well.
It is enough, Madam Catherine. Don't get me wrong. You know we are in the revision week, and I need to study because of the exam. You know I have to pass this exam.
No. You are giving me past time, which is I'm fooling. I can't take this anymore. You have to do what I want for me because I'm horny sometimes.
Hey. Take your time. What's that?
I need you to assertifize.
Listen,
you always do
listen,
this.
I understand that. I understand. You know what we understand. You don't have to be saying that. Huh? Listen.
I'm angry.
Listen.
I'm angry. In fact,
I know. I didn't do the right thing. But the thing is, after the exams, I will make it up to you. Trust me.
No, please. I want it today and tomorrow. It will take long.
It is not going to take long. The exam is in, I think, 2 days. 2 days time. You'll be done. Anyway.
Oh, really? So you are trying to play a wicked man? Oh, okay. That's clear. We go do it nicely in the way it's.
Oh, Catherine, listen to me. You don't have to be saying that here.
You want to get tenkete?
The boys are there.
Have you get tenkete before? Of course.
You're not going to give me food.
Because when I took my eyes on you, you doesn't happy. In that school, you became a papa. Because
hey. Don't go there, please.
You cool my temper.
You know always. I like you, Madam Catherine. The thing is, I don't have time. Now I need to study because of the exam. That's the reason why I'm doing this.
Always exam, learning. Please, I need my attention too.
Listen.
I deserve it.
I know you deserve it. I'll give you all the attention you need. But I want you to give me that time. Just let me finish this exam. Trust me, from next week going, you have me to yourself. I'll make it up to you.
And you make your stomach full.
Madam, don't do this, Catherine.
The same school. Okay, I will need you tomorrow in the kitchen, okay?
To do what?
To do what? When you came and then you come and meet it. You can't ask me this question in here.
Listen, what did you tell that guy?
Or you are coming.
Listen.
Go. Area there is nice.
Listen, Catherine, I told you I'm learning. What did you tell the guy? You told him to call your babe or what? To call Aroma or to call...
No, just call Aroma.
Good.
How can I discuss myself like that?
Listen,
I don't do that.
Listen to me, Catherine. You know we don't want people to know this. That's the reason why we need to know how to play our games.
So why you want to tarnish my face like that? And you are wasted my time. Always. This is not the first time.
I'm sorry. Hey? You know you're my baby. Don't be doing that, mama. Huh? Let's go. You know what? Let's go.
I'm angry, right?
Let's
Don't
go.
do that again.
How going?
Meme coin.
Because as a sense, okay, no any this moves. I'm not playing.
Adams, now you are fit. All of a sudden you are fit. Where from this energy? You look energetic. Why?
Glory be to the school nurse, Jacob Salu. Charlie injections or their mamma. And I'm fit, I know.
Hey, Adams,
very fit.
So what he say? My J try to do that to Cunningham, and Auntie want me and succeeding. Now you are fit.
Oh, come on. Now who say me want to know? Charlie, who come on engine on dog is an man. No, it's not because of that. Hey, Charlie, the school nurse sound no good, sir. Hey, injections were the man in eh. Now my fit sound, Charlie. So it is what it is.
Really? You see, all this why I said it. I said you. What is going on here? You are denying. Because you heard Mike didn't succeed in trying to take advantage of Cunningham. You are fit now.
Aroma, come on. Now who should you Mike now? Was it the right thing?
No, I don't support that though.
So at least Enokrano should be some kind of enjoyment view of school. I say, Mike was not able to rape the girl. That's what I said. No, the side other side jubilation. That's what I said.
So where are you going now? Where are you going?
Right now, no, like I say, I'm overexcited. I say me who the mayor so I'm just walking around. As me name the my minis council.
So you listen, listen. Adams, the last time I asked you about this Cunningham girl, and you said you don't like her, you hate her, blah 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 blah. Why all this? Why this?
Do you know something? For Cunningham, I don't like her. I don't love her again. I just want the best for her.
You want the best for Cunningham?
Exactly. But I don't love her. I just want the best for her.
God. You want the best for Cunningham?
Yeah, that's why I've been asking you to help me. I just want the best for Cunningham.
When people were tarnishing her image, I came to you. But I hope I said, no, let's do something about this. You told me that, hey, I don't care about her, blah, 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 blah. Now you want the best for her.
Oh, that time, no one said it was out of anger. So, you can say,
well, I've heard you.
So, who has the beer? Now that school nurse, what I say?
Okay.
Who can't go to join him? No bumpire that school nurse. Charlie, he's very good. He's very good. The kind of injections. On healing me.
Okay.
On healing me. Energy. Energy. Like apart from say my healthy crown, I say mini need you school more. Mini.
Okay. You.
How going?
I went to the canteen.
Charlie, I've got your fill view. Your back is there. What you go?
What's up?
What you go?
Almost saying. Almost saying.
The way you know. What you go?
Me. What did I do?
Me
Yo. What's up? I don't know what.
We my show.
Boy, my idea. Almost there.
You my show.
If you didn't catch Rubio, please don't tell me.
But nice and okay. It's true.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so drum meya. Oh Lord.
What do you mean by it's not true?
Hey,
the one who came to tell me is sitting right here. And
Obi be repu o so mini mia o mini. Ama ba bi so say no kure na fe de bi na nya no kure. Hey, now so akure wo be ifo papa.
Yeah. Precious. What is wrong with you? What are you hiding? Why are you hiding it? Why are you shielding him? Where is he? He's not found, isn't it? Because he knew what he has done. That's why he ran away. And we are here shielding him.
And not just an emperor, no. When emperor on any show. None a pain and no can cry.
He just came to see me.
He just came to see you. And nothing happened.
And he tried.
He tried. Because you liked it. That's why you don't want to say the truth, isn't it? Oh, you liked it. Other than that, you would have said it.
Or try then. Or try the other.
He tried to rape me, but he didn't.
He tried to rape you. So you are okay, you are comfortable with it.
No. I'm not comfortable.
Oh, I thought you liked him, isn't it? I warned you. I can remember warning you about this guy.
I told you that I didn't like him.
You told me you didn't like him.
And
then what did you tell me afterwards? You told me, oh, you are henceforth, you will not be good friends with him, you be careful and other stuff. And then you gave him the opportunity to come into your room.
It was the girls' dorm. It was the living room area.
Who invited him?
I didn't invite him. He just came to knocking. He said he's looking for me.
Had it not been you giving him that opportunity, would he have come there? He wouldn't, isn't it?
Headmaster Akro ya akra boni. Wo ya akra boni papa ya ka akra ya akra boni o kan bi. Wo we nim say akua ba oni about pre say kinsu toy. Wo man ko an ko beba.
Headmaster.
Hey fra.
You deserve it, isn't it?
Na ka wo kama who twan tro ache na ka wan ka aka no kra ache no.
I can see you like my J, right?
I don't.
Then why are you lying to me? If you're not interested in him.
What pen? One pen and
I was just embarrassed. It's like talking about it is hard, especially to people like you.
Intimidating ka tell me okay. Me dey okay tell me no more ha. Okay tell me okay.
I advised you about this boy. I told you that boy is not good. That boy is not correct. Don't be moving around with him. You wouldn't listen. And you did not. Hey. So, assuming he would have gotten his way with you.
No.
Hey.
Precious. This should serve as a deterrent.
Headmaster, my main corner me feeling you here say kwa wanyem.
I wanted to report to the police, but he told me not to.
Who told you not to?
Me. What do you say me? When you say kakape, what do you say me?
Hey, Baba.
Headmaster,
no, MK, Debbie. Chaso.
Who koye wadi? Who me bet my better asem bubu say ade. And now see will be repeating Musa saying to you ne kwa kwanza na say who ko police station hey na clock it ko police station ko headmaster na ko bona mane ansa na ko police station say wan hwe a na moa unti fa mran shon sem say nyefe and am ke
he's lying
na ka say na me ka chiro
baba oh de bia me ka asem chiro tam bia wo pre do
oh headmaster
too much
me ko aja wo
mo sumu
headmaster
me bo asum bia
akwa we anim esu no ma akwa anim be fam
Debi na wo mpese de oni be from no ade na akokaka sansam no chakula na akula no bibia to no enti na kada right and so no no betima complain amana yi so ko dinka ko police station ko complain kra na e bom amana
wa dam ne ti ko ntwa mi asan kama ba asan ko akwa de ade wa boni dam papa ti ko to no ka o de ade
na ade na wo kwa complain aka chan se wo nya
me stop no
enya na stop no ade akwa ni oni mu no
me stop o
Chepepe penny when you say Debia found someone from I bet me do be atemintino. Debia one
penny. Who be church from Sunday say?
Do you know what this man has been doing in the school? He has been dating the students. Not the third years or first years. Little one. When I met him and I complained, he told me he likes the little ones. Mama motunyo munufuye flat no. Omono betumi handle.
MK. Wo be ye.
Unyambe chia o.
MK wo be ye.
Unyambe chia o ka wo.
MK wo na saba meja o tumu. Would you go mea met what to me met what to so soon you by me met what to
he has been
Seer every na kwa men shield teacher ni bia wo school mu habio met what to school no begu kra hu cuz asama mudi no and you are becoming unbecoming very stubborn. You are around 5:30. Come to the office. I'll be going to the police station with you to make a formal complaint.
Tomorrow.
Today. I mean today. I don't mean tomorrow. I'm going to make a formal complaint at the police station first. We are going to report him. So when he reports at school, first thing, let me know. And then you'll be arrested.
Let's just manage it in this school.
Manage it what? Hey. No. Meaning you are still interested in that boy.
I'm not interested, but I just don't...
You are interested in that boy. Don't lie to me.
I don't like the back and forth and all that.
So you are happy?
No, I'm not
that
happy.
He attempted raping you?
I'm not happy. But I just don't want to go to the place.
Considering what you're telling me now, what the justification that he hasn't even done it? He has enjoyed you.
No.
Precious, you've opened your legs for him.
I haven't.
Oh, he has.
I haven't.
You have disappointed me.
He hasn't done anything.
He has enjoyed you.
Hey. Oh, Mama, listen to me. Oh. Just 1 minute.
Oh, hurry up.
You know what has transpired between my G and I?
What does it mean?
You know you're the only person that I trust in this school, right? That is why I've called you here. I don't know why you
hurry
don't
up.
want to
I was doing something. That's because you see, I called you the last time and warned you about this McJ guy. I said, no, it is my choice. I know what I'm doing, blah, blah, blah. Hey, I don't want to say anything concerning you and that guy. Please let me go.
You're not the one talking about it. I'm the one who has called you to tell you about it. The thing is, it was a plan. It was a plan between us.
What was the plan?
The whole relationship thing. We didn't actually go out and actually go to hotels and actually kiss and all that.
But you actually held hands and actually sipped coconut in front of the hostel.
That was just for everybody to see. We were doing things that even if we are hiding, you can see us and think that these people are actually dating.
And what was the reason? What was the reason behind that? Why?
Seer and Adams. How they were acting was some way, so I suggested it to my J that we should do that so that Scanty will be hurt or Seer will be hurt or something.
Hey.
I didn't know it was going to escalate. I didn't know it was going to get this far.
Listen to me. Why should you do this to yourself, Kanye? You don't have to go through all this stress just to keep somebody. Why are you doing this?
I'm not trying to keep Scanty. No, don't say that. I just wanted him to get hurt. That was it.
Why? Why do you want him to get hurt?
Because I just wanted him to get hurt. He was trying to make me get hurt, so that was why I made such a dumb decision.
Hey, Kanye, the thing is, listen to me. Now it has happened. The best thing to do is to avoid him. Just stay away from him and that's all. Just cut him off. And now, what is he saying?
I've not met him. I don't know where he is.
So, if it was a plan work, why did he try to take advantage of you?
He was like, he didn't think it was a plan work. After some time, he thought we've actually caught feelings for each other. And then he likes me and stuff. I told him that I don't like him.
So you don't like him? Are you sure? Precious? You wanted to do that for Adams to get hurt. And that's all. Wow. You see, that's the reason why I said you should go to the police station and report him.
The school authorities, they said I shouldn't go for now.
Why? Why are they trying to keep this a secret? Why?
I don't think they'll keep it a secret. Maybe they'll go with me or something.
Where's you?
So that's why I called you to tell you, because I need somebody to confide in or something. Because it's a huge burden. I want to talk to somebody about it.
What do you want me to do now? You tell me what you want me to do.
I want you to advise me.
Advise you? Somebody that know what she's doing. I should advise you, can
I
it?
don't know anymore.
You don't know? You know?
I don't know.
You know? Because I don't know why you should call my J and tell him this. My J. My J. Oh, come on, can it?
I should have called you rather.
Who? I beg you. I beg you. Well, I've heard you. You will try and talk and talk to him. No, do I even have to talk to him? No, right? Okay, so you just stay away from him and that's all.
So that's why I brought you here.
Okay.
Let's
go. On, come.
What are you doing here? Let's go.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me, yeah. Me person me come anymore.
Precious, so if I was to be the one who did this to you, would you have just leave it? Huh? Precious, I'm talking to you.
Why?
Precious.
What?
Why don't you want us to let them arrest my J?
Arrest who?
Mike.
Adams, why is that your business? Why? The last time you came here, I told you it's not your business. Why?
Precious, just imagine what he was about to do to you. He wanted to rape you.
And he didn't, so
what will happen next if he comes back to this school?
Scanty, it's not your business, it's not your business. It's not your business. Why? Why are you so concerned? Huh? It's me. It's my business. I choose how to deal with it. So even if I am doing it the way you want me to do it, I'm not going to tell you. It's my business.
So why are you not going to tell me? It's like, alright. Huh?
Hey.
Do you know if this guy comes back to this school, he can kill you.
Don't talk about Mike J, because you are wicked. You yourself, you are wickedness itself. Oh yeah, Papa Kra, to me yeah, Papa Mpo.
Do you mean I'm
wicked
than the one who was about to rape you?
Yes. You are more wicked. So don't get involved. Also, when you talk about it, it's like I get angry. I don't understand.
Are you listening to yourself?
Yes.
I'm more wicked than a rapist.
He didn't rape me. You're more wicked than him. That's the truth.
But he attempted to do so.
And so, do you know what you've done? Do you know the things that you've even attempted to do? Scanty, you are more wicked. You are far wicked than my J. So stop that.
Precious, what do you mean? Huh? Nipa no ko repu. Mayem pe kwan bi so ne emfa so na ye boy na. You are here defending him.
And you are here insulting me.
Sometimes you deserve it. You sometimes deserve an insult.
You are in no position to insult me. Scanty, leave. Scanty, leave.
You are here defending someone who was about to rape you. Precious.
Leave.
Precious, listen to yourself. My Jane was about to rape you. Why are you here defending him?
Your bestie is here. Just
say shush. Scanty. I can't say me no one come to me when you go.
No crowd quarantine and metro.
I need me for chair over 2 years.
Follow her. Leave.
I should follow him.
Scanty, leave. I don't like that. Leave.
Santua.
Your bestie is Scanty. Kwasia.
Santua. I have a business.
Scanty. Then how?
I didn't make us baby.
Where should we be able to be how?
Bibi ana me se me nka se bibi am.
There bibi how. Bibi how pa minima de kre how. Bibi how.
Do sha de na ha me.
Nti na wakojama ma akra we kasa wonim rough sa na no e dey.
Akra we.
Na why na wo gina ho yi?
Some akra bia ni side don't tell. Ntam bisa sa akra.
Why na ni wo gina ho yi sisi an?
Am na precious na gina ba na akra bia ngina ho.
Any precious na mene no.
Ono ya akra.
I don't know what man or do any more from sir.
Or the many more from say come on kekeni edi me dey precious.
There is Scanty. You won't come out only be there who say we normal conversation. Wojina ho Scanty. What when you are mob no dey paper form. And now
Oh, obu wa sa na okasa no, say precious there.
Debbie. Precious, enye say no okasa.
Ah, na say no okasa. Me vibe no amount.
Hey, Scanty, we yes girl no mu o. Uba form na o mu o. De bia what when him be from de bia be kasa when him by heart or be treat you anyhow.
Oh, me no dey normal na ntin ka person me dey.
They protein na ama wo yes ade ne cho me ntase.
Nti me kasa no 1% ka menye den. O dey mame tip off bia.
When you tip off asem, wo ye bema. E ma ne fa woni munye form sa. Joanna. Ko yes na ko si mama no na no aba form. Scanty pa we sa wo mu o.
Sa.
There be men yes sa. Ma form man o. E fa hu tutu form man there do ye bema. Stand on your toes. They make an answer say.
Ti ba sa o kasa menye den.
Scanty why you mu kan?
O da bi so won say e si de o twa esane nim se na chiachia nti wo na won se mechiachia nti no
wo be
o wo na won se mechiachia nti no so kire se wo ne na kasa yi se
nti na make sure say ye ho me masem
ba na me ni jina kasa me shere gana
eye hu the way am je o ne ma ne kasa wo suro kra se obe kasa na nim anyhow because ono mba form ma
ono mic no ejimi fu ene ka tell me so person me question because me share na meet my dey oye ni bi o
e too for now pusa be
that you dey me compare my JD my JD ono share no timi
esa me ka say at least you be free ni ho be sa na mba ne duani ma yeye from school mu me kra me yo ba kra me man a chance man nye sa ade ne nche me onu ni me
santoa de oye no ya kaseti am o ya kaseti am say we nti na frame me ba ye begina de am say ko me ko pe baby adako
me kaseti
and de o me like start on me kasasa o kaseti am say futu obi aso afanyo sa kwan bi so na o de kaseti am
na so wo jimi nti na wo say be bo ho ma say de o ye na John line say wo say uma weni bre na o ye ho me ma say nche
de no fere we ntem pese o de
sa is a mimi too for each afa me so ko mi ni watem enti wo each afa me so ko thank you you be show school ma me do any
yeah me pam kwara me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pesa me come any months I drum meya oh Lord I pray that I will fulfill my wish oh yeah I pray that today
oh what
I'm trying to talk to you. Why are you doing this to me after all that has happened to me? Why are you doing this?
Why are you trying to stress
me?
Precious, you have 5 minutes.
Bon, you know that I'm going through a lot now. I really need you.
Did I tell you to get into all of those problems?
But I also didn't plan on getting
Precious,
it. It just came.
I warned you that whatever you were trying to do, it would come back to bite you in the back. And then you ignored me. Oh, Von is young. Von doesn't know anything. Von is just a kid. Von can't advise me.
I never said that.
I know that's what you were trying to imply here.
It's just that you don't understand it. You will later understand.
Later understand what?
Bon, I don't have anyone in this school that I can talk to. I don't know why you are acting.
You didn't have anyone. But when you were taking those irrational decisions, you never came to consult me.
They are rational decisions. They are not irrational. It's just that you don't understand.
Precious. I'm getting very impatient.
Bon, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all that I said to you the last time. After you decided not to be talking to me anymore. I've been through too much troubles, and please just forgive me.
Just like that, she wants to start fanfooling. Please forgive me, please. Forgive me for what? Precious, get out of my sight. Go.
Oh, one.
About it in a flamingo.
Vaughn, you and I, who looks like a flamingo? Your stature is like Vaughn. But I'm apologizing. Who because I'm a flamingo? Oh, Vaughn.